In today's video, we have this interesting problem. If 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 4, what is the value of 3 to the power 2x minus 1? Feel free to pause the video and try this first. Done? Cool. Now let's get started. There are two ways we can solve this problem. We can introduce log on the both sides of the equation and then find the value of x. Then after that, we can substitute the value of x into this expression to find the value, right? But I'm not going to use that approach. I'm going to use straightforward approach. Let's get started. This expression over here is the same as 3 to the power x times 3, and this is equal to 4. Now let's go ahead and then divide each side of the equation by 3. So that this 3 will cancel this 3. Now we have 3 to the power x is equal to 4 over 3. And we will call this equation 1. Now let's pay attention to the expression over here. This expression could also be written as 3 to the power 2x divided by 3. And it is also the same as 1 over 3 times 3 to the power x or to the power 2. So in place of 3 to the power x, we can put equation 1, right? So we have 1 over 3 times 4 over 3 squared. Now let's simplify this. We have 1 over 3 times 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9, right? And this is equal to 1 times 16 is 16, and 3 times 9 is 27. So the final answer turns out to be 16 over 27. And this is pretty much it. And like I said, you can also introduce log on the both sides of the equation to find the value of x. Then after that, you can do straight substitution to get the value for this expression. So guys, you can try that and then let's see if you get the same answer. Thanks for watching. See you again on the next video. Bye bye.